Hello and welcome to this video. This video will be explaining optionals in Swift in 90 seconds and less. An optional is a type that represents either a wrapped value or nil, the absence of a value. An optional is a generic enum. The first example, using the enum's sum case wrap value. And as we can see here, we're using the long form of optional with the type of boolean. And then we initialize it with the sum case with the value of true. This optional with value will not be equal to nil. Using the enum's none case with a nil value. Here we're using the long form with optional of a type integer, and we're initializing it with the .none case of optional. Next, we use the shorthand version of the integer, and this is basically implicit to saying this is an optional integer once again, and we're initializing it with the value of nil, meaning opt ? No value is equal to nil. Next, we use the shorthand version of integer, and we'll initialize it to 5. This will mean that opt ? Value is not equal to nil. Alternatively, we can use the dangerous force unsafely unwrapped property, which will then means you're knowing that it actually has a value. Otherwise, we can use it in a switch statement, and we can say switch optional with value, and we can say case.none and case.sum value to get the results. Thank you.